2012 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, power outlet, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, power side view mirrors, variable speed intermittent wipers, air conditioning, ABS, power locks, front side airbag, front side head airbag. This is a top-rated dealer. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.